Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't normally make videos like on the spot like this, but I thought I would make this just because it's like super important, and it has to do with screen flickering in OBS. And as you can see, if I get like really close to the camera, you can see like some flickering going on. So like I looked up tutorials on this and stuff, and it had to do with like going into your Windows 10 or 11 settings and turning on off game mode and then turning off like GPU accelerated hardware. And for some reason it wasn't actually like showing up in my Windows settings. So let me show you a quick fix that should potentially help with this issue. At first I thought it was like a monitor thing, a software thing, and now I'm kind of just realizing it just might be like the refresh rate I'm actually using on my monitor, which is causing this. Essentially, like I can't get like the proper amount of voltage to my webcam in order to produce this sort of frame rate. Or monitor. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on this stuff by no means, but what you can do, and I'm going to do it right here, I'm going to stop recording this video. As you can see, some flickering going on around my face and on my skin, and I'm going to I'm going to reduce my overall refresh rate on my monitor from 144 hertz down to 120 hertz, and we can see that this flickering is going to go away. And on OBS right here, if I go to screen record, on OBS, I'm currently using, my output is 60 frames per second. And then if I actually go into, I'm not even sure this is going to show up or not, but if I go to configure video, nope, not that one. If I switch this to Logitech Stream Cam, and then I go to configure video, my anti-flicker is on 60 hertz. If I turn it to 50, it doesn't really help at all. I think it actually makes it slightly worse. So let me switch that back to 60 hertz. I think it gets slightly better. So I turn it on 60. And now I'm going to stop recording here, and then I'm going to reduce the frame rate on my monitor from 144 hertz down to 120 hertz, and we'll see if that can make a difference. Okay, so we are back. Same exact recording setup right now. I didn't touch any settings in OBS. All I did was turn down the frame rate on my monitor to 120 frames per second. And as you can see, if I get like really close to the monitor, you don't see as much screen flickering. I don't know if this is going to solve everyone's issue out there, but honestly, this has worked for me. Let me get some coffee. It's worked for me a little. I think it also has helped with the overall like smoothness of my webcam, but I think I still have a long way to go in terms of adjusting both my like settings, both in like the AMD software on my computer, Windows settings, and also my monitor settings. It's like having to tweak everything and get the best possible image without this awful flickering that it can cause with your webcam, because the webcam itself is really good. This stream cam is really nice. It's great that it can do 60 frames per second and that sort of thing. But hopefully this helped you guys out. I know this is a small fix, but if you did find this useful, please support this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video to help share it to other people who are having this issue. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out. Bye, Scott Tyler.